have made an update to the client view screen, which will enable you to view policies that the client has on file with your agency in according to your preference. So as you can see here, as always, you can sort your policies by policy type, status, company, effective date, expiration date, and policy. So in this example here, I have my policies sorted by expiration dates, which I've done by clicking on the header. And we'll sort according to expiration date, ascending or descending. And now with this update, this is going to remember my preference across the board as far as my clients go for how the policies are sorted. So we can see here these policies are also sorted according to expiration date for this particular client as well. So we hope this will make your clients' policies a little bit easier to see and your client view screen a little bit easier to navigate as well. As always, please reach out if you have any questions.